I found the laziest way to make money online by using AI. It's a well-known method that got people to earn more than $396,000 last year, and I found out how to make it even faster. Today, I'll teach you this method, including sharing my effortless eyeballs magnet strategy. How some very simple AI tools help me achieve it. You've probably heard many people telling you to make money by translating text, watching ads, or even using AI to create scripts or images, and they all exist. The main problem with these methods is that you do the work once and actually make money, but in order to maintain it and keep it growing, A, you need to actually do it by yourself, and the moment you're sick or just go for a vacation, the money stops as well. B, if you want to scale the business and do 10 times what you're doing, it's much harder as you're only one person, and you'd probably need to hire more people and pay them as well. Not the smartest option to choose. In this channel, I'll always prefer the smart way over the hard way. So let's get into it and explore this method. What you will only need is one, a cash cow product. Imagine you're in a store and you have the opportunity to sell the product to customers. Now, there are some products that when you sell them, give you a lot of money in return. I call this a cash cow. It means that for every sale you make, you earn a good amount of money. But earning money isn't the only important thing. It's also essential to consider how likely it is for people to buy the product when you offer it to them. This is called the conversion rate. A product with a high conversion rate means that a lot of people who see or hear about the product will actually buy it. So remember, cash cow product plus high conversion rate. 2. A traffic source with high organic traffic potential. Organic traffic means that people are finding and visiting your product naturally without you having to pay for advertisements or promotions. Now, let me explain how to do that. Step 1, discover your dream market. Let's dive into finding a market that not only piques your curiosity, but also holds the potential for great success. Start by grabbing a piece of paper or opening a Google Sheet and write 40 things you're interested in. They should include things you do for fun, watch on TV, your hobbies, or anything you learned in the past and are still interested in. After you have the full list, compare each of your interests and find whether any of them matches the most profitable niches you see on the screen right now. Now all you need to do is create one list with the matched interest and you can move to the next step. Step 2, find a trendy and profitable product. There are several marketplaces in which you can find a product that will pay you for any sale that you drive for them. My favorite ones are clickbank.com and digistore24.com. I choose Digistore24 as I have good experience working with them, but ClickBank is worth trying too. Here's how to do this. Go to Digistore24.com. Go to the Marketplace tab right here. Then you click on the category which is most relevant to the list of your most profitable interests you created in step 1. Look for a product with the following criteria. A cash cow product will be one with the highest earning per sale or commission. My rule of thumb would be to look for products with no less than $200 per sale. But that's not all. You also need to look for a product with a good conversion rate. Some products can have a high earning amount, but people are not buying them. As you can see in this offer, Freedom Accelerator. They pay $653 per sale, but the percentage of people who bought it is 0%. Another 2 important metrics to look at are the sales rank and the creation date. You would like to find products with the highest sales rank possible, and products that exist for more than a year or even 2. It means that their sales funnels are super optimized and they know how to generate revenue from the people you will be sending to them. Since I really like the make money online niche, I chose the Tube Mastery and Monetization product by Matt Parr. Looking at his metrics, it looks like it should be a hit. The commission here is $209, which is good enough for me. The cart conversion rate is 2%, which is good. It means that for every 100 people, you can generate $418. And it's also ranked in the internet marketing and e-business, second in digital products and second in all products, which is very impressive. For disclosure, it's also a course I personally know that helps people become rich and it provides the best value for the money. This is another reason why I chose this product. Now you just need to click on the Promote Now button and copy the product link. Save this link for a later stage. You'll need it very soon. Step 3, implement the effortless eyeballs magnet strategy. This strategy will help you take your interest, find the most attractive content, and by using clear mythology, magnet your potential viewers' eyeballs, so they'll just want to keep watching. Just go to YouTube, look for the profitable niche you're interested in from step number 1. Search for it. Find the top 3 channels in this category either the ones with the most subscribers or the ones with videos above 1 million views. Go to their top videos by clicking on their channel and then clicking on the most popular tab. Now you have in front of you this channel's top performing videos. Now take from each channel the top 10 videos. This way you should end up with a list of 30 ideas. Now comes the only part where you actually need to put in some effort, but trust me, it is worth it. But wait, there are two ways of doing it: the hard way, which is more manual, and the smart way, which involves the use of AI tools. We earlier said we always prefer the smart way, but in this case, I'll show you both. Let's start with the hard way. Open the first videos together with the Google Doc and start watching them at 1.25 speed to 2 times speed, depending on whichever you prefer, and write them in your own words. If you want to have even better result, you can find similar top performing videos on the same topic and take the best part of each video and write them in your own words. The reason I recommend choosing a niche you like is because this way you'll be able to add additional value and make it even more valuable for the viewer. In order to check the uniqueness of your script, use copyscapes.com. It's just a few cents, but it's worth it, as you don't want to be flagged. Before I'll share with you what you want to do with it, I'll share with you an even simpler way of doing it, which can save you tons of time. In this way, we'll be using AI. In order to start, you'll first need to download and install a Chrome extension called Glass. This extension can take any YouTube video and transcribe it in just a click of a button. Why do you need to do this? There are two main reasons. First, in order not to watch the video and pause it anytime you write the script in your own words. And also because you would like to get your best friend's help, ChatGPT, to help you write it in his own words, or your own words, depends on how you look at it. The coolest feature here is that you can go directly from the YouTube video to ChatGPT by clicking View AI Summary. This way it will open ChatGPT and copy the transcript together with a prompt that asks to create a summary of the video. But this feature is very cool and I use it quite a lot, but that's actually not what we need. What you'll need to do is use the copy transcript button and copy it into a Google Doc. Theoretically, you can paste the full script into ChatGPT the following and ask it to rephrase it in its own words, but it does not work well as the text is too long. My suggestion is to work with smaller batches and ask ChatGPT the following. Paraphrase the piece of text below to make it unique and original. Write it in a friendly tone. You can write here any tone you want and try to avoid plagiarism. Here's the text. Now you'll just need to paste the text and that's it. You'll have the new text in no time. Quick tip, sometimes you'll need to ask it to limit the text length to a certain amount of characters or just ask it to keep it to a similar length as it might generate longer text. So after you have a script, you can now choose from the free and harder option or the fast and smart option, but costly way. As for the free way, open Google Slides and create a slide for each part of the script by adding text, icons, and pictures. For icons, you can use flat icons. For pictures, you can use pixelpay.com or pexels.com. Then you can use free screen recorder apps like ScreenRec or OBS or Bandicam in order to record your screen as you talk and go over the slideshow. What about the faster and smarter way, you ask? Sure, my favorite tool for video editing is InVideo, which has two very useful features. The first one is taking your script and finding relevant images automatically. I think this one needs an improvement, but still it's useful. And the second one is that it takes your text and converts it into an AI voice. I just want to say you need to be careful with it. Even though there are some very successful videos doing it, it must sound very good. Here's an example I created for you from this script in just 2 minutes. If I'd invested 10 more minutes, it would be even better, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is to create.
I found the laziest way to make money online by using AI. It's a well-known method that got people to earn more than $396,000 last year, and I found how to make it even faster. Today, I'll teach you this method, including how I did it by using some very simple AI tools.
After you have your video, the next step is to upload the video. While uploading, you'll put the link of the product you choose in the description and also in a pinned comment, and that's it. You have the first asset that can potentially make you tons of money for years. Now, in order to reach $890 a week, here's what you're going to do next. Make sure you have more than one video, at least 14 videos before going live. Schedule at least 3 videos per week. This way, with 14 videos, you'll have more than a month of scheduled videos. After 6 months, you'll have at least 72 videos on your channel. Now, let's assume that you receive 1,000 views per video. It's 72,000 views per month. If only 0.005% will be buying the product, it means 36 sales in a month. It means that if you have a product that pays you $209 profit, you can make more than $7,524 a month. Crazy, isn't it? Even if you generate half the amount of sales, you would end up doing at least $877 a week. Now, I'd like to share with you 3 important lessons I learned during my personal journey. Trust me, taking them into consideration will make this business even bigger. Lesson number 1, get paid more than once. In order to do it, you'll need to find a product with a recurring payment, like a book with a subscription model or a software you need to renew the payment every month. This way you can end up doing much more than the commission from the initial sale. For example, one of the best tools everyone who creates videos on YouTube uses is vidIQ, yes, including me. And while promoting this tool, you can get a recurring commission. You can find more information about it in the description below, as this specific product is not on Digistore 24. Lesson number 2, use a dedicated video creation tool. I recommend recording it via Google Slides and present it in video quickly. From my experience, in order to increase your chances for success, you need the video quality to be at least as good as your competitors. And in order to have your videos look like the videos you're trying to model, you'd probably need to use an online video editing software like InVideo. But there's also another good one, which is called Pictory. I'd recommend trying them both. If you'd like to create some whiteboard animation videos, check out VideoScribe. Mastering all of them will increase your chances to explode and make tons of money dramatically. They are super easy to use, and many creators use them. Lesson number 3, don't do everything by yourself, especially when you start making money. Think like a rich person and try to invest this money again in a way that it will generate more money for you. Use platforms like Upwork and Fiverr and delegate the work you don't like to do. If you don't like editing and it takes you a lot of time, find a freelancer that will do it for you while you keep investing in growing your channel. This way you can be really lazy, as you'll have a fully automated assembly line of video creation. I would highly recommend it. I hope you learned something new from this video, and if so, please share it with anyone you care about and want to change his or her life like you do. Take care.